For over 40 years, Desicon Engineering Limited has been an indigenous industry leader providing innovative engineering, procurement, and consultancy solutions to our clients all over Nigeria.
Desicon probably is the best selling point for local content. We started off in 1974. We were exclusive partners to Saipem, exclusive for about 10 years. We had, ourselves embedded in each other. And it was a proper mentorship, program and scheme where Saipem did teach us how to do things. They backed us financially, guaranteed us also financially and technically. And so, that I would say for us has, to a tremendous extent, taught us the way to do it and how to do it.
Desicon's vision is to be a world-class engineering, procurement, and consultancy, installation, and construction company providing oil and gas solutions and services, with a commitment to safety and social responsibility in an ever-dynamic environment, while ensuring value to its stakeholders. And once again, in a trailblazing move, Desicon is investing in a pipe-lay vessel which will be the first of its kind in Nigeria.
We started as electrical instrumentation, and of course we went into the onshore space. We have a new DP vessel coming, and it's going to be fully flagged Nigerian by October. And we did heavy investment by way of equipment and people, bringing in very qualified personnel from home and abroad Nigerians to take care of our new business, which is onshore pipeline.
Obviously, we've grown over the last 15 years. We've moved into other discipline. We're doing multidisciplinary jobs now, and we are delivering a turnkey projects. Recently, we had a visit from one of our auditors from the BSI, and she was opportune to see one of the projects that we did. She was totally impressed. I still remember her words. This is a world-class work, and we're happy that from the Nigerian content, that indigenous companies are doing this.
Prior to the inception of the Nigerian Oil and Gas Industry Content Development Act of 2010, Desicon Engineering has always believed in the in-country domiciliation of works. The strategy was to understudy an industry leader in support of our organic growth. This singular act has remained the key determinant responsible for the quantum growth of the company.
Desicon has invested heavily in Nigeria. We have about 900 Nigerians in our employment. We make sure that we train these people, build their capacity for future projects. We invest heavily in capacity building. Where we have expatriates on our projects, we make sure that there's mentorship for the Nigerians from the expatriates, so that for future projects, Nigerians can step into those positions. As far as our assets are concerned, we have pipe-lay barges, 2 pipe-lay barges, and we're investing in another pipe-lay barge to build up our fleet. The reason that we do this is we are a huge beneficiary of Nigerian content. The NCDMB has provided us with a lot of support, so we want to give back to Nigeria and make sure that we use Nigerians wherever Nigerians can. We believe Nigerians can do it, and so we make sure that we give them all the opportunity we can afford them.
Desicon growth has been very organic, and drilling some years ago primarily was done by international companies, onshore drilling. Today, drilling is easily 99% Nigerian, and onshore pipeline capabilities in the past was, of course, again, predominantly international companies. Today, easily I'll tell you, it's again 95%. We're ramping up. We also grew our asset integrity business, where we went on to partner with an international company to set up a new company called Desicon. And then, of course, we have a big baby today, which is called Sidel. Sidel is in the shallow water and offshore business. Sidel is the company of the future for Nigerians and by Nigerians in the offshore space.
Sidel Limited inherits the business process, standards and procedures of Desicon Group, which has been established through a business process re-engineering done with the help of an international consultant. That was back in 2014. Today, Seidel is striving to get into the niche market, which has been left void by the departures or the scaling down of many multinational companies in Nigeria. We believe we can do that, and we will do it because we believe in our people, and we will do it.
At Desicon, we model ourselves on our core behaviors of integrity, trust, transparency, partnership, customer satisfaction, results, and strategic thinking, all of which shine through our greatest assets, our people.
Obotobo, say something. Come alive, come alive. Obotobo, come alive. Look, we're very proud of you all. It has been a very long journey, ups and downs, but my greatest delight is to see each and every one of you happy, in good health, no injury, nothing.
The major strength of Desicon is basically in our personnel, right? The quality of personnel we have, enable us to take any kind of responsibility. The zeal, the willingness, the competence of our personnel, is our core asset.
We value our people and we want to do it safely so that we can continue to do it with the same people, and in the long run it is much cheaper and safer for us.
Everything we do is centered around HS is actually embedded in our business, right? Every process, right from when we are bidding for a job, where we get it, when we go into the process of engineering, into construction and commissioning, and finally handing over these projects to the respective clients, we ensure that every line item has an HSE component embedded in it.
Over the years, our knowledge of the industry, technical innovation, and teamwork have been at the core of our operations. Leveraging these assets to deliver electrical, instrumentation maintenance, and construction, procurement, and project management solutions to the Nigerian energy sector.
Here in Desicon, we actually take certifications and audits to keep our standard. We are an ISO 14001 certified company, right? In the business of engineering in Nigeria, we're a Korean registered company. And we are a member of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, now called ISPON. So this tells you that we actually don't play with certifications. We interact with these bodies and we update ourselves as these regulations and standards are being updated.
With a highly skilled and motivated workforce, we're able to undertake major projects and provide services covering every aspect of oil and gas, be it engineering, construction, procurement, logistics, operations, and maintenance, while ensuring that best processes, practices, and technologies are adopted to provide a safe environment for clients. Desicon's head office is located in the Garden City of Port Harcourt, which places the company strategically in the oil-rich Niger Delta region, while the commercial office is located in the heart of Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. Desicon's long-standing presence in the Niger Delta enables it to operate in high-tension and volatile environments. As it takes on new and diverse challenges, Desicon is assured of a bright future.
I get excited when I talk about the future, and today I see, or I have, a lot of the next generation, between 20 to 25-year-olds in the business, that were beginning to groom in the culture of Desicon. Having spent almost 28 years in the industry, it's time for us to start to be more active in the offshore business. We have a few Nigerians doing it. We intend to do it better than they've done, just like we've done in our other businesses, where Desicon today is the #1 E&I indigenous company in Nigeria. So yeah, the future is very bright. E&P is our final stop. What that means basically is It's going to be a one-stop shop for value, 100%.